We use agentic AI assistants in our day-to-day engineering to build software that has several qualities that our customers will benefit from. The software that we build receives a boost in quality. It also receives a boost in correctness, receives a boost in scalability, and all other areas of quality. The quality of our agentic development or agentic engineering is standing on three pillars. The first pillar is engineering. We believe engineering is still very important and will continue to be so in years to come. Quality software that is fulfilling its needs to be built by an engineer. It needs to be outstanding from an engineering perspective because our customers are enterprise customers, and in enterprise environments, only the quality products are there to live a long, prosperous life. Now, from an engineering standpoint, engineering is important because the product has to be maintainable. It has to be scalable. It has to have little to no technical depth. It has to have complexity that is managed. And managed complexity, this is something that only an engineer can do. We're not building products that are going to live half a year or 1 year. We're building products that are supposed to live for 10, 15, or 20 years. And some of our products indeed do live a long and prosperous life. That does not come from mere vibe coding. It comes from serious engineering. So serious engineering is the first and probably the most important pillar. The second pillar is intuition, because when you use agentic assistants, they still produce suboptimal results from time to time. These assistants will sometimes cut corners, and it takes an engineering eye to catch them. It will sometimes produce an over-engineered solution, which is something that you also don't want to have because you want to have managed complexity. You don't want to build as much features, as much complexity as your AI assistant is suggesting. This is something that is under our engineering control, and we are controlling the outputs of the AI agents constantly. And the last thing, common sense. So just because we can build complex solutions, if we can build the most complex solution, doesn't mean that we have to do it. So there's still boiling it down to the managed complexity train of thought. Just because you can doesn't mean you should. So we should explore the domain, we should frame the problem, we should reframe the problem and build a solution that makes the most sense from all the perspective, financial, economical, engineering, etc., etc. This is something that we take to heart thoroughly, and this is something that we don't see changing. Agentic assistants, besides increased quality in engineering, they bring a myriad of other benefits to the whole software development lifecycle. One of the benefits of agentic engineering is that most of the grunt work is being taken up by AI. So the engineers get more time to think about the business, get more time to absorb the business rules, not just about the business rules, workflows, processes, but also about the business context. They have more time now than ever to think about the users, to think about the user behavior, to think about the problem areas, and not just the solution space. This is crucial to bring about the best possible solution. This is something that business people have long tried and long wanted to talk about with developers, and now this is becoming mainstream. Only the best developers previously were able and actually wanted to do this, but now the level is set, and every developer needs to be able to have these conversations, and our developers actually do have them.